Introducing Hot Brush by Ikonic, a revolutionary hair straightening brush that uses tourmaline ionic bristle technology to eliminate frizz, relax curls, and straighten your hair quickly and easily. It makes hair straightening as easy as brushing your hair. Before using Hot Brush, make sure your hair is dry, moisture-free, and detangled. To turn Hot Brush on, press the power button. Select a preferable temperature. Hot Brush's adjustable heat temperature between 160 and 210 degrees centigrade allows you to choose the optimal temperature as per your hair type. The brush will heat up in less than a minute and will be ready to use instantly. Use the brush close to the roots and slowly brush it down to the tips. Make sure that the tourmaline ionic bristles are touching all parts of the hair being treated. Hot Brush's unique flattened and curved edge bristles are designed to glide smoothly through your hair without any tugging or pulling. The tourmaline ionic technology releases ions when heated, helping seal hair cuticles, making your hair smooth, shiny, and healthy in minutes without any damage. The unique bristle architecture not only transforms frizzy locks but also helps protect the scalp from heat damage, allowing you to straighten your hair from the roots thoroughly and efficiently. For optimal results, slightly pull the edge of your hair with your other hand. When you reach the end, linger for a second or two for a polished look. Brush your hair naturally, both outwards and inwards. It is ideal for straightening even the back of your hair. Hot Brush is suitable for all types of hair. Your hair will look voluminous, straight, and shiny in minutes. Have gorgeous hair every day.